Numbers with Dave, Lotto King. I actually put this together, an 8-step system with the 730, explaining steps on doing this rundown. I made it very easy, so pay attention. I'm gonna walk you through it right now. Step 1, you're gonna write down the Master 730 rundown. And this rundown works for any state, okay? So you see the rundown, you're gonna write it down, 730, and you're gonna add 1 all the way down till you get to the original number again. Okay, guys? That's step 1. Step 2. This is for the day sum. Okay? I want you to look at it first so I can go over it. The date sum is the number of the date. For an example, March 11th. March is 3, and today's date is the 11th. So what you're gonna do? You're gonna write down on the side, you're gonna write down the date, and you're gonna write down the month. 11 and 3 is 14. But in Lotto math, we only concentrate on the right-hand number. We don't add or anything on Lotto math. So in this case, the date sum is 4, okay? Now we're gonna go to step 3. Step 3, we're talking about the hit sum, okay? A lot of people ask me, how do you get the hit sum? So I'm gonna give you an example. Very simple and easy. Say the 740 came out. So what you're gonna do? You're gonna add 7 plus 4 plus 0 equals 11. So you're gonna take that 11, then you're gonna add 1 and 1 equals 2. Then you're gonna go down to another space and you're gonna put the 2 and you're gonna go up once. Then you see the 7 and the 8? That's the mirror to the 2 and 3. And we're gonna get to the mirrors. You're gonna understand what I'm talking about, okay? So it's very simple. So even if you have to look at this over and over until you get it, okay? We're gonna go to step 4. I know you could get it. Just practice and you'll get it. We're going into step 4. Now, when we were just talking about the mirrors, we got to the mirrors. Step 4, this is your mirror numbers. This is the reflection of each number, okay? The 0 is the 5, the 1 is the 6, the 2 is the 7, the 3 is the 8, and the 4 is the 9, okay? Now, this is the reflection, again, of the number. So I want you to look at it. Take your time. You got to study all this. So I'm giving you steps, easy steps, so you can understand how to do your system, your 730 rundown. You're gonna, everything's in steps. So we're going to step 5 now. Okay, step 5, you got to get a notebook. Okay, it's a simple notebook you're gonna buy from the 99-cent store, whatever you want to get, a regular book. You're gonna keep the results, your day results on one book, your night results on one book. So by you doing that, you're gonna keep track of the day numbers and see how the patterns are going during the day. Then you're gonna keep the night numbers and see the pattern on the night, because there's different patterns. There's day patterns and there's night patterns. So I want you to practice that. And I also want you to buy some highlighters. Simple. Just get a notebook, it'll cost you $1 or $2, and some highlighters. So the reason why I want you to get the highlighters, say 324 came out, I want you to highlight 324. Then whatever number comes out the next day, say it's day, say it's 641, you're gonna highlight 641 so you can keep track to see which way are they going. You understand? So again, if you don't understand, go over this part again. And it's very simple, okay? We're gonna go to step 6 now, guys, all right? Now, step 6, this is what I want you to do. Remember the date sum? I want you to now have the 730 written down. Now, the date sum, you're going to go, say you're playing, today's date sum is the 5. You're going to say it's the 15th. Today's date sum is the 5. You're going to take the 730 rundown. You're going to circle all the 5s. This is the GPS to where the number's going to be at. You understand? That's why I always tell people, always concentrate on the date sum and the hit sum. So you're going to circle all the 5s. That's your date sum. Now I'm going to go to step 7 now. Step 7. Now this is for the hit sum. Now for an example, again, say the hit sum you came up is a 4 and a 5. And the mirror of the 4 and the 5 is 9 and 0. This is the GPS now. So you got the date sum circled. Now you got the 4 and the 5 and the 9 and 0. You got to mark those numbers. Now you know this area here, say the last number that came out was in this area. Now you know the number could land right there. 95% of the time it's going to land there. And the only way it doesn't land there, again, is when the lottery changes the patterns and when they throw a triple number or a double number, okay? So I want you guys just to keep track of that. That's what it is. The lottery is all about patterns, okay? It's not what you want, is what they want. It's all patterns, okay? I could give you one quick example. In New York, on Saturday, it was March 9th. That's 3-9. What the lottery threw? They threw 3-9-3. That's a very rare coincidence. They threw 3-9. That's the date. And that's what I'm telling you. The lottery's all patterns. All patterns. That's what they all about, just patterns, guys. All right? And I think if you got into this part, step 7, you're on your way. So we're going to get to step 8 now, guys. Step 8, now you're on your way. Just remember to keep practicing your craft. I think you'll be on your way. This 8-step program is actually showing new people that don't understand actually how to do this with the 730. So now I think I explained myself really well on actually how to do this, okay? So again, the number one key is practicing, because if you practice anything you do, you're gonna get good at it. So thanks for watching, and I hope everyone, keeps practicing and enjoy, okay? Now, I really hope this video helped you guys. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. I appreciate all of you. If this provided any type of value, please share with a friend and show some love. Click and comment and subscribe to the channel. That would be truly appreciated. This is Numbers with Dave, the Lotto King, and I'm out, guys. To the next one, guys.